welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a hair review, but before we get into this video, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So let's get into today's video. So first things first, I already did a video on this here, so I'll leave the link in the high cards here or here, or I'll leave the link down below. So this company, they reached out to me. Let me cover my address. So the company is called Samisu, and they specialize in passion twists, and you know it's summer, girl, so everybody want to rock them summer ear, you know. Yeah, so this is what it came in. Of course, it's from Amazon. The company is linked with Amazon, so this is what it came in. And along with that, it came in a bag, another bag. Hold on, let me put this away. So it came in another bag and another bag. So in total, it came with 6 packs of hair. And it came packaging, like the hair came like this. It came with crochet needle. It came with this little pamphlet. I'm gonna read through this when I'm finished showing you guys what else came in the packaging. Came with 2 clips. It also came with some hair accessories. Focus please, focus, focus, focus. Yes, some hair accessories, which I will be putting in later. And yeah, that's all that it came with. So in total I used, how many packs came? 6. In total I used 4.5, no, 3.5. Yes, no, 4.5. 3.5, I'm sorry. So in total I used 3.5. So what I did to get them at this length, because they're super tall, they're super long, sorry, let me show you guys how long they are. Alright, so this is what the hair looks like, and let me tell you, this hair is so soft. So soft. You don't get knots, you don't get tangles. So this is the true length of the hair, and this is, I got this in the color 1B simply because I wanted to keep it simple. If that makes sense, I just wanted to keep it simple. So this is how long the hair is. Let me fly it back a little bit so you guys can see. I can't even fit it in the frame. So from here to here, so if you twist it, they would be like right here or here. Yeah, so the hair is very long, so that's why I cut it. So what I did to get it at this length, I just go in with a scissor right here, cut it here, and then, you know, I got it at this length. But the hair, so let me go through the pamphlet that it came with. So this is what the company name, this is the company's name, Samisu, right? So in here it shows you how to wear the fashion twist. So it shows you like the different methods that you can use: the crochet method, the braiding method, the rubber band method, all of that good stuff. And they show you like the size you'll get when you use like the different methods. So yeah, and oh, this is their email. I'm sorry, their email is right here. If you guys cannot see it, I will leave it in the link. I'll leave the link in the description box below along with their number, and I'm gonna show you guys how I install my passion. I'm gonna take one out. So I did the rubber band method simply because it was easier to me, or for me. So I'm gonna take this out. Ow. don't do like I do. Alright, so now that we got that all out, I use the Gorilla Knot simply because I do not have any shine and jam and my edge control is finished. So I'll be using the Gorilla Knot. So what I did is just squeeze a little bit on my hand like this, on my finger like this. Put that at the base of the hair. Kind of smooth it up like this. Then I'll go in with my rubber band. Take one. And I'll go in with my my edge brush just to brush that in so I have a smoother finish. Then I'll just go ahead and add my rubber band to that. Not too tight, because you don't want it to give you an headache or rip your hair out. So that's quite fine for me. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some more Gorilla Knot to my entire hair, or to the shaft of my hair. Just to help it with the blending, so it blends perfectly with the extension. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair. So I did 3 pieces per section, so I just grab 3 pieces, roll them up together, and do like this right here. Take my crochet needle, put it under the hair or under the rubber band section like so. Add the hair, close the hook, pull it through, grab my hair, split it into 2, and then I start twisting all the way down. So if you guys don't mind having the rubber band showing, you can do it this way, or you can do, I'm gonna show you guys another way to install it, but I don't mind the rubber band showing, so that's why I did it this way. Then all you have to do is just twist all the way down. Yeah, I know I twist fast. Takes a lot of time to get used to. And when you get to the end, you just roll it like this, and voila, you have your perfect passion twist. And the thing about this here is, whenever you twist, like each one you twist, the twist just comes out juicy and, you know, bouncy and all of that good stuff. All right, so I'm going to show you guys another method or another way to do the passion twist. Take this one out, and when taking them out, you see how easy it is. When you use the rubber band method, you just untwist it or unravel it and just put it under, and that's that. So all right, with this method now, I'm not gonna take the rubber band out. You're gonna use your rubber band section. You're gonna get your hair, you're gonna split it into three sections like so. Hold on. All right, so you're gonna split it in 3 like so. Then you're gonna go ahead and do as if you're doing box braids. So let me zoom you guys in a little bit so you guys can see. All right, so that's fine, that's close enough. So you're gonna take the hair that you split in 3. So grab this and then bring it around like this. So you should have something like this, right? Between your two fingers like this. Then you're gonna grab the section right here and then just start braiding. So once you feel like you have like, so what I normally do is I braid to like 1 inch or 1/2 of an inch, and then I will start twisting. Braid around like this and just start twisting all the way down. Then I'm gonna add some more girless knot to my hair just to make sure that my hair is blending with the extension. And then twist all the way down. And the reason why I'm getting knots from this is because this is a piece that I already used, so that's why. And with both methods you can adjust like the tension to your scalp. You can do it tight, you can do it loose. You don't have to do it tight. I don't really like my hair tight, so I don't really do it tight. So with that section, that's all I did. So whenever it looks like this, I'll just go in with some curling enhancing cream, or you could just use gel, whatever you guys prefer. But I prefer clumsy like, but I prefer to use the curling cream and just curl up like this with your hand, your finger, and then cut the stringy part off. So cut it like that. And voila! Yep. So that's all that's just two methods or two ways to install your passion twist. So yeah, like I said, I'll leave their link in the description box below. And the hair isn't shiny, even though it looks shiny on camera. It's not shine like, oh, you know, when you're looking at synthetic hair, it looks shiny and it's obvious that it is plastic or synthetic, but this isn't. So this kind of gives you like a natural glow or a natural shine. And the hair is super soft, you guys, super soft. And the price is reasonable, let me tell you. So without further ado, if you want to get your summer look, or you know you look summer ready or whatever, just click the link down below, purchase it here, and yeah, and let me know. I'll leave my Instagram name here so you guys can send me pictures if you guys have purchased the hair, or if you guys have tried the methods that I've tried with passion twist. And yeah, so yeah, that is it for today's video. And if you guys would like to see a more in-depth or more informative video, I will leave the link down below to that video so you guys can watch that video and learn from that video as well, if this video wasn't as informative as you guys would like it to. So I went ahead and I added my accessories. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn the post notification bell on. And oh, before I forgot, to all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. We're on the road to 1K subscribers. So thank you guys so much for joining in the family, and welcome. And I hope you guys enjoy the content that I'll be putting out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
You don't know. Bad man.